Today, no, I'm not going to get sawn in half by a magician or Micah. Today we are going to swap out the hard top on the Jeep for the soft top that is in here. There's a lot of stuff in here. Obviously, it's a box that's the size of me. And there are no instructions in here. So we're going to see how long this takes. It's going to be fun.
So far, I feel like a kid at Christmas. Or maybe a parent trying to put together a bike at midnight on Christmas Eve.
There are instructions. Yay! Oh my gosh, they're worse than IKEA. This might be a longer project than we thought. So much for just a quick video.
Big box means a lot of stuff. From the soft top windows to the plastic scaffolding, there are close to 25 parts for the JL Sunrider soft top. Removing the hardtop T-tops is by far the easiest thing to do here. Unhook the latches and they come right off. I can even lift them myself, no problem.
Handy toolkit that they give you. It's like a socket wrench and a couple other fun things.
I wasn't convinced that 2 tools were all it would take, but I was pleasantly surprised. Lots of hardware here, folks, but then again, these bolts are keeping the entire top on. So I am glad for them.
So, Tim, if you look down here, that's all of the ones for the roof. You can see there's a separate spot here for the windshield and then the door hinges. We're not going to mess around with that today. So we're in good shape. We have to unplug a couple things first because there's a defrost back here and there's windshield wipery things back here. So, yeah.
And with that, we're about ready to take this thing off. Only problem is there's no way I'm doing this all by myself. This hardtop weighs 140 pounds, people.
And then just move it back. No, guys, jeez, you guys, there's 3 of you over there and 1 of me over here. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, just right by here, just right here is fine. We're not taking it anywhere. That's it, that's all we need.
So easy.
Thank you.
Even a baby could do this.
What I'm calling the scaffolding for the soft top goes first. These are plastic pieces that the canvas top will sit on top of when it's closed. They're not the easiest to figure out in terms of which one goes where, so I enlisted Tim and Mike to help. Note to anyone doing this, at least for the first time, bring your friends and buy them pizza. Already an hour in and I still feel like we've made little progress. This is a serious workout. But eventually there are more parts on the car than next to it. Finally, things were starting to look like they're supposed to.
This goes on the outside and that goes on the inside. Like that. All right. There, got it. It's just brand new, so.
That's it. We're getting a hard top next time.
That's right, honey. No soft top for you.
The windows slide in quite easily and are nice and snug. There's Velcro to help keep the wind out. We'll see how that does when we're on the road.
Yeah. Okay, so that was a little more complicated than anticipated. Turns out you can't do this with just one person. You definitely need 2. At times we needed 3 or 4 because I have no upper body strength. And now I have a better understanding of why people who have the hard top and the soft top just leave one of them on and don't change them because it takes too long. Now, I kind of want to pay somebody to put the hard top back on. You're it! Okay, so we switched out the hard top on our Wrangler for the soft top, And we're just gonna do a little bit of a road test with it to see how the noise is, to see if it's that much worse. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. I definitely can hear the wind noise though. You can hear the engine a little bit more, which this inline four, like I definitely can hear it. It's quite talkative. But yeah, the wind noise is particularly bad in that corner, which is the one that Tim put together. So I blame him. But mine over there is perfect.
All told, it took me 2 hours to do the swap, though I think if I did it again, it would probably take me about 30 minutes, provided I had the people to help lift it. Putting the hardtop back on was definitely easier to do, and I recruited Micah's help too. No one sits around at Kelley Blue Book eating bonbons. Ah, and all is back where it was again. Now it's time for a nap.